Sixth is key wiper. Ma'am life Tajir ma'am. Welcome to my life.
Yes, sir.
Now, leg apart. Leg apart. Attention position. Position. Attention position. Just you see. One, two, one, two, one, two, three, four, one, two, three, four. Now clapping. You don't do. You just sit. One, two, one, two, three. One, two, one, two, three. One, two, one, two, three. Very good. Very good. You have done very well.
Very well, yes.
So we have masjid is finished. Now I shall like to divide the team. I would like to all the higher secondary girl students, please move to this side 3 steps, 3 steps. Higher secondary girl students, make a single line or double line, whatever may be, you get separate from the group. Higher secondary girls. Now higher secondary boys, this side. Higher secondary boys, make two groups. Make two groups, two lines. Make two lines, two groups. Two groups, two lines. Two groups. Here also two groups. I want to start with football and kabaddi at a time. Football and kabaddi. Football, how many teams? Football, 4 teams. So you just make 4 teams. Out of higher secondary boys, make 4 teams. 1 captain and rest 7 aside or 6 aside. You make 4 teams. Make 4 teams now on the spot. On the spot 4 teams is right. On the football, boys football. List is one thing, and what about practical? What about practical? List is one thing. In practice, they don't play football. So make 4 teams already. So you could start the match now.
How many boys are there? 24 I think.
If it is not four groups, you may make 3 groups. But we will be starting football now. And girls also make 4 teams. Girls also make 4 teams for kabaddi. Girls also make 4 teams for kabaddi. We make teams. Girls kabaddi 4 teams. Girls kabaddi 4 teams. Make 4 teams.
Hello, big sweater, we are ready. Stop, charger पे को टुकाओ.
লাইভ আছে লাইভ
উঠাই যাবে আমারটা আমারটা পাঠাইবা হ্যাঁ
না না এটা লাইভ আছে
Sir.
Right now we have planned to meet them in that corner. And after that, Harun will go there and discuss how what is conduct how to do that. after that, if we can accommodate football, then we will do that. Right now, let them. Hello. Yes. So I'd like to ask the convener, that is the teacher who is in charge of girls kabaddi, to be there and to take the board from me for conducting the official paper. And I do want to ask the convener for boys to be with the boys. If we all, being our supermanner, then we can conduct the games smoothly and in a rapid manner because the day is shorter. Now I would like to ask Rita me to take the kids towards the right corner, right hand corner. We are coming here, and the rest girls, to cherish them, you can sit over their gallery, over the gallery, or the next gallery, that one. So I hope we are going to have a wonderful day. And I must congratulate all of you who have conducted very successfully the 2 days program. And referee is there on the football ground. So I'd like to ask the coordinator to march forward that football ground and cooperate the referee to conduct the first match. We need to start it up, wrap it up very rapidly without wasting any time. My urge to the male convener to conduct the boys football. I think you all are familiar with the football playground or football treated or separated ground. We have restricted the ground. So I think you all are aware of this. So be there and let us open today's program, today's event. We have all the events, all the previously planned events, one by one. There are bundles of events. We are going to observe them, celebrate them. And the first thing is, today is the teamwork. So you need to show your unity and prove the product unity is the strength. So we are going to show up, we are going to showcase the Prabhav and proven it right as unity is the strength. And we'll also have a mannerism of showing up your leadership ability. I hope the leaders, the captains will lead the team in a manner how a leader would be or expected to be. And the teammates will surely follow him or her who is going to lead them. So the leader has the responsibility to lead and the teammates have the responsibility to follow and obey his and her team captain. I'm well aware and very proud that my students are well enough mannered and cultured to follow all these things. And today is the time to show off. We are going to have it done.
নিচে কইছে কাপড় পরলেন ওই কাউকে গেলিলে মারি দেবে না কখরি বড় হইছে যার মাইকু আছে ওই কাউকে গেলিলে মারি দেবে না কখরি বড় হইছে যার মাইকু আছে
নাম লেখাতে হবে
Let's go there. Let's go there. Actually,
ওটাই
হ্যাঁ
Live,
Photo.
live, live.
Let's go. Yes. Let's go there.
Today, 7-a-side football play will be started after some time. Howji ka koi 7-a-side ki football se ho raga ni ma'am.
Photo.
Photo no live.
Video.
Live video.
Live video, na? Live video and video, what are the difference?
Live video is only directly uploading, and video is after taking video, then again we upload. This one is directly
uploading. Let's go.
Video simply any mistake happen, it will be edited again.
Oh,
Video, then again we can upload.
live video, but that means no edition.
No
editing.
no editing, no editing option.
टीम भी टीम कैप्टन टीम भी पुष्पा डाक दिए
नहीं करो नहीं करो
আমরা টিম দিয়ে দে
আমি যদি লেখেন যে ইভেন্ট ক্যান্সেল হয়ে যাবে ওরে বই টাকা
अरे वैसा ही करो ইউটিউব আছে ওটা মানে আমার মনিটাইজ হয়ে গেছে গুগল পিন সব পাইছি
Umpire, they are umpire.
They are umpire.
They have got that duty, the responsibility, na? We are just witness, no?
Hi karo hi hi Lusal
Okay, I will.
স্যার আপনার দিকে যাই না বয়সের দিকে খেলা আছে তো আপনি খালি ভিডিও করতেন তুমি এখন তুমি দেখো এখন তুমি দেখো
Ma'am, ito, ito kasi the live messenger, ma'am.